Hello everyone, welcome to Tourism Talk. Myself Chandra Soni and I am from Jhansi. Talking about my qualifications, I have done my MBA Tourism from Devi Ahlia University, and as of now I am pursuing my PhD from Jivaji University. I have also qualified UGC NET in tourism. So today I am going to talk about passport, like what is passport, its type, its process, and what all documents are required. So I shall start with what is the meaning of passport. Passport is an official document that contains person identity. It is holder international identity. It is one of the travel formalities as it has to travel foreign countries. In India, it is issued by Ministry of External Affairs with the help of Ministry of Home Affairs. Passport Seva Divas is celebrated on 24 June every year. And this line is very important for UGC NET and JRF aspirants. The validity of passport is 10 years. Now coming to types of passport. In types of passports, there are three types of passport. First is ordinary passport, which is called normal or regular passport. Second is diplomatic passport. And third is official passport. In an ordinary passport, it is issued to ordinary citizens, common people. Its cover is navy blue and it is generally used for leisure and business related trips. Coming to diplomatic passports, it is issued to diplomats and high profile government official. The color of cover is maroon color. And coming to official passport, it is issued to government official who represent government of India and traveling for government mission. The color of passport is white or gray. Now, before coming to process, I will discuss about what are documents required to apply for passport. Generally, there are two documents are required. First of all is address proof and birth proof. In address proof, you can add Aadhaar card, your electricity bill, your water bill, your high school mark sheet, etc. In birth proof, you can give birth certificate, Aadhaar card, PAN card. Generally, Aadhaar card is acceptable in both documents. So, and documents are also depends on what all occupation and what is the basis of citizenship. Like if you are a government employee, so you are required NOC from your seniors. And if you are in army, then you are required your identity certificate and NOC from your seniors. So it depends. For more details, you can visit to Document Advisor Passport Seva website. Now coming to the process. Starting with process, go to Passport Seva Kendra website, create your login ID, then apply for fresh or reissue of passport, then fill all the desired details, submit the form. After submitting, pay the fees and schedule your appointment at your desired nearest Passport Seva Kendra. Then at the date of appointment, carry your original documents with a self-attested copy of original documents. It is verified by the passport officials at PSK. They will also ask you some questions like what is the purpose of issuing passport, and you have to answer that. It's a little interview over there. Then after successful verification, PSK will transfer your file to nearest police station of your address. Then police officials will come to your address and verify your details. Then after successful police verification, your passport will be dispatched to your address. Since your passport process is over and you will receive the passport within 15 days. While applying passport, you will confuse between what is ECR and non-ECR. There are two categories, ECR category and non-ECR category. In ECR category, it is issued to those who are not educated, like below matriculations. And non-ECR, it is above who are educated, above matriculation. So this is the difference between non-ECR and ECR. A small message I want to deliver to UGC NET aspirants that don't just stick to the syllabus of UGC. Try to learn other tourism theories, update about tourism news and what are tourism headlines. Like you can go through tourism talk headline news section. They are providing Track Talk and Government of India magazines of tourism department, and keep update yourself from that data, because in exam you will realize that there are many questions that will be out of syllabus, so you will get confused. So you should broaden your preparation like this. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I'm signing out. Thank you, sir.